starting with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Slab. Now, slab is a horizontal structural component which is supported by beams, columns, and walls. The depth of a concrete slab is very small compared to its span. Slab is used to create floors, roof decks, and ceilings. Let's start to know about the comparison between one-way slab and two-way slab. Now coming towards the one-way slab, is the ratio of length to breadth is greater than or equal to 2, then it is considered as a one-way slab. In one-way slab, bending moment occurs only in a shorter span direction. In one-way slab, the main reinforcement is provided in a shorter span and a distribution reinforcement is provided in a longer span. In one-way slab, the slab is supported by a beam on two opposite sides only. In a one-way slab, the load is carried in one direction perpendicular to the supporting beams. In a one-way slab, bending is only in one direction, that is in a shorter span. The deflected shape of one-way slab is cylindrical. The examples of one-way slabs are cantilever slabs, chhajas, and verandas. Now coming towards the two-way slab. If length to breadth ratio is less than 2, then it is considered a two-way slab. While in two-way slab, bending moment occurs in both directions, that are shorter and longer span. In two-way slab, the main reinforcement is provided in both directions. The two-way slab is supported by the beams on all four sides. The two-way slab, the load is carried in both directions. In two-way slab, bending is in both directions, whereas the deflected shape of the two-way slab is a dish-like or a saucer-like shape. While designing a two-way slab, we provide more steel. Hence, the depth of the slab decreases. As a result, the thickness of the two-way slab is less as compared to the one-way slab. The transfer of loads from a slab to beams is controlled by the slab's geometrical dimension and the direction of reinforcements. The load of the slab, including self-weight, live load, and imposed dead load, are distributed over the beams on their sides. The slab loads are expressed in weight per unit area, whereas loads of the beams are expressed in units of the weight per length of the beam. If the slab has regular dimensions, the load transfer can be carried out easily and quickly. The load transfer mechanism of one-way slab. The load of the one-way slab, which has a rectangular shape, is divided equally between adjacent beams. The interior beams takes half of the total load of a slab on each side. Load transfer mechanism of two-way slab. Loads on a two-way slab are transferred to all beams on all sides. So each beam supports an amount of load from the slab. The slab is commonly divided into trapezoidal and triangular areas by drawing lines from each corner of the rectangle at 45 degrees. Thank you.